Welcome to Sources classes. Today we'll be solving a question of GATE Chemistry 2019. The question given to us tells that in the Freundlich isotherm, the linear relationship is obtained by the plot of theta and the partial pressure. Now, as we know, theta is given as the surface coverage. It is given as the surface coverage, and P is the partial pressure. Now, if you want to express the Freundlich isotherm in terms of pressure, the Freundlich isotherm in terms of pressure, we get the relation of log x by m is equal to log of k plus 1 by n log of p. So this Freundlich isotherm approximately explains the behavior of adsorption. It explains the behavior of adsorption. Now, if we have to get a plot of this, we get the plot as follows. On the x-axis, we have log of p on the x-axis, and on the y-axis, we have log equal to y by m. We can get slope like this, where this is theta, this is A and B, where the slope is 1 by n and the intercept is log k. This is the intercept. So, coming back to the question, to get the relation between this, and according to our plot, which is this, the correct option is option B, which is ln theta versus ln p. Now, if you have any queries regarding this question, please contact us on the number 98367930076. Thank you.